the VIPER Stake Pool team. You just caught us in the middle of some node maintenance. I'm Willie. I have a master's degree in astronautical engineering and a bachelor's degree in computer engineering. My wife and I live here in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
And I'm Dylan, and I have a PhD in electrical engineering with a minor in computer science. And my wife and I live in Albuquerque, New Mexico with our 5 kids. Yeah, that's good.
Alright, so what are we really about here at the VIPER team? Well, we started out operating the VIPER Stake Pool almost 2 years ago during the incentivized testnet. And more recently, we're invited to participate in the Alonzo testnets. We are passionate about creating tools, services, and educational content for the Cardano community. So we developed the open source Cardano Tools Python library and provide Docker containers to help stake pool operators easily set up their pools and interact with the blockchain. We also created adafolio.com as a platform for community members to create and share multi-delegation portfolios of different stake pools. And we currently have a Catalyst proposal to support integrating the Adafolio website with more third-party services like wallets and explorers. As an add-on to the Adafolio project, we created the AdaCards NFTs as a fun way to highlight community-operated stake pools and to teach NFT collectors about staking and multi-delegation through our fantasy staking game. Creating the NFTs was really a fun experience, and we actually got to go on the Cardano live show to share what we learned with the rest of the community.
We also publish a lot of educational content and infographics on our blog and on YouTube. One of our favorite projects was figuring out how to help delegators recover their ITN rewards after they lost their seed phrase. We also have a number of articles dedicated to teaching newcomers about staking. We have a very active Telegram channel and we're always happy to chat or answer questions, so please drop on by.